everybody, good morning. Today we are going to do something super fun that we've never done before. We are going to a Thai cooking school.
So we chose Zabb-E-Lee Cooking School because it was one of the only ones we could find that not only did a half day, but also let us choose our own recipes. That way Ashley and I can learn to cook different things and really expand our menu knowledge of Thai food.
We're going to be making everything from fried and fresh spring rolls. We're going to make pad Thai, different types of soup, different types of curry, and then I think we end the day with both of us making mango sticky rice. Yeah, we're looking forward to it. Our driver's on their way now, so we'll check in once we get there. The markets right now, and Rainey is showing us around the Zabb-E-Lee market, which we have been to before. It's pretty small, but they've got a lot of local ingredients. We're gonna buy everything for our recipes today.
Pad Thai. This one rice noodle. For Pad Thai we use the small one here. It's like an alien
Oh yeah.
This
like
one. You can smell it. Like
oh yeah, it does.
And also, when the mosquito bite you, but I'm sorry, the color is stained on your skin. Look at my fingers. That's why I don't have any right now because my fingers. This one lemongrass, and this one galangal. Chili. Take it out and show your face. Hey. Everyone, this one capilla leaves. This is the fruit. Thai eggplant or sweet eggplant. Mike is for you. Hey, more chili, more sexy. Sexy and you know it.
It's Thai, yes.
As long as we're all safe.
Good day, so.
I also drive the van here. Normally we use it for green curry, but we use green color. See, this one, green papaya.
We're here at the Zabb-E-Lee market. Our tour guide Rainey just went over all of the spices and vegetables that we're going to be using in our dishes today. I am super excited. I actually know what the ingredients are now, and a lot of it I had no idea about, so really excited to see how these dishes turn out.
So far it's pretty cool. I love the fact that we get to come to the market, see the ingredients. I also like the fact that we don't have to do any of the actual shopping.
Right?
Rainey's brother picks out all the actual ingredients for us based on the recipes that we've chose. So that kind of lightens our hands a little bit to kind of explore.
Yeah.
But so far so good. She's hilarious.
Yeah, she's really funny. She's taught us a lot already. And now we just kind of have a few minutes to explore the market, and then we are gonna head to the cooking school. So we finally made it to the cooking school. We're just on the outskirts of town, it looks like. It is an absolutely beautiful property. I'm really looking forward to getting to cook. It should be a fun time.
3 4 5
นับ2 3 4 5
Good job Hold it inside and do it with love and gentle Please and roll If you do like this
Gentle like
it's
you love
nice
it.
to meet us.
Mike and I just had our appetizers that we made. I made the fried spring rolls and they were so good.
Yeah, you did great.
Even though I burned them.
You burned one.
I burned one.
I made the fresh spring rolls and they were also fantastic.
Yeah, we're getting ready to make soup now and we're super excited.
Soup stock right now.
I'm making coconut soup.
I'm making local hot, sexy soup with
Crunch roasted powder to make the soup a crunchy texture. And smell like from rice.
Just made our first coconut soup ever. It smells really good. What are you making now?
This is the sauce for my cashew chicken.
So we are learning how to make pad thai right now. So we just finished up our second courses. I made the pad thai with the coconut milk soup.
I made the local hot soup with chicken and cashew stir fry, yeah.
Yeah, they were super good.
Super good.
I kind of overburnt the pad thai, but even still it was amazing. So yeah, I loved mine. You liked yours too?
Yeah, my cashew chicken was awesome. The local hot soup was really good. I thought it was going to be super spicy, and it was spicy for sure, but it was more sour than anything. It was an awesome flavor.
So yeah, we're just taking a little break for right now, letting our food settle. I've already eaten way too much.
Yeah, me too.
And then after this, we are going to make the thing that I am most excited about, which is khao soy chicken.
And I'm going to make masaman curry, and then we get to both make mango sticky rice.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Boop. made our cow soy and now we get to dig in. I am so excited. I say I'm excited over everything, but like, I'm really excited about this. All right, you wanna go try it?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's like the restaurant.
What's my name?
Rainy.
Rainy. Okay. Thank you so much. Don't forget it. Kapun ka.
So that's a wrap for cooking class. Ooh, and I'm tripping.
Welcome to AC. Nam Niao.
Nam Niao.
Yeah. Nam Niao curry is for local people. Even in Chiang Mai or Chiang Rai, is very popular.
Okay.
Yeah, we eat that more than cow soy curry.
So much for everything. Kapun ka.
So Thai Cooking School is a wrap. It was an awesome day. We had a really great time. We did the half-day course. It was 1,000 baht per person. I think well worth it.
USD, that's like $28 depending on the conversion. And you get an appetizer, a soup, an entree, a curry, mango sticky rice, some jasmine tea,
Lemongrass tea.
lemongrass tea.
Yeah.
It's super worth it.
So good. They pick you up and drop you off at your hotel, which is awesome. Rainy, thank you so much if you're watching this. You were absolutely hilarious and we would recommend you to anybody.
Yeah, for sure. Absolutely. You were awesome. Thank you so much. We had a great time, met a bunch of really awesome people, and tried some dishes we had never tried before. I made masaman curry, having no idea what it was. It was killer. And mango sticky rice, I see you.
All right, so that's it for us. If you guys haven't already, please like and subscribe. It really helps us out and we will check in soon.